So I got a quick one for you here, and I'm going to start putting out Sunday quick videos, Sunday quickies. Oh, that sounds funny. Yeah, Sunday quickies. I'm going to do some shorter videos for Sundays, and hopefully they'll be on, I don't know, oil filters, car stuff, anything like that. So I'm going to start doing that right away. But I got some Hengst oil filters here, and I'm just showing you how different. See, they both come from Hengst. They're both a German filter, right? And well, and they both look very alike. So this one's actually for my Honda Civic, and this one's actually for my wife's Hyundai Elantra. Her engine's no bigger than mine. Look at the size of that filter. Yeah, they both come from a different manufacturer. So this one is actually made in Poland, as you can see, made in Poland, and this one is made in Turkey. So that's funny because they're the same company, they have the same look, but they are significantly different. This one has the nice built-in feature here where it has the lip to hold the seal on, whereas this one has the old type. And you can see here where they are totally kind of like different base plates. And they also have different rounding methods for rounding over. This one is a more circular one, whereas this one is kind of a flatter type. And as I noticed, this one has, well, let's see, about 4 threads. And this one that's made in Poland has 3 threads. And if you can see in there, I don't know if you can. I should have got a light. I don't have a light here at work. But they both have different yes, they both have pressure relief valves in there. Like that one is a totally different type in there. I wish I could show it to you. I couldn't find any. And they both have totally different oil pressure relief valves. And that one down there is just a plastic one. And it is pretty, yeah. So, totally different filter from the same company. Of course, this one's an H13W01. And this one is a H97W05. And yes, I'm going to probably use this on my Honda Civics one of these days. And these ones I'll use on my wife's Hyundai Elantra. So, I just found it funny that I was looking at them like they completely different build quality, and I'd love to take them apart, but I can see how different these are inside also, and who knows if the filtration inside is the same. I don't really know, but I don't want to take these apart. I want to use them. So this is why this is just a quickie to show you the differences. Even if it is the same types of filter, there's so many different, they use so many different manufacturers to build their own filters. So that's the way it's done, and that's the way it's probably always going to be done. And there's just so many different ones for even one type of company of filter. All right, thanks for watching. Just a quick one here.